nice beautiful girls early in the morning itself. It's not a saying, say it's actually there is an escape route from here, from Vattavada to Kodaikanal. This is exactly Kerala, right? This is collection, ah? Can you paklama?
Animals over there, sir.
No, pa.
Illa naga clean pannu varam varam. Bottle plastic aana illa ella merumu. Good morning, boys and girls. So it's early 7 a.m. So this is the tent that I opted to. So I paid 1,500 just to sleep in one tent. I couldn't have a shower also because those who have the rooms have only the gas heaters. That's the negative about the tent, but the positive thing that you can do is you can wake up early at 7 a.m. So you don't become lazy, right? You will have that mindset to start up early in the morning itself. So Marine Shield Resort, welcome to Vattavada, Sahari Marine Shield. I stayed in Vattavada. They did some night, some camping, all those things. I was not interested. See, if you have some friends and you have some liquor, that will make you some enjoyment, right? See the mist here. See, I was far from Vattavada, like 5 to 6 kilometers. Let me say about Vattavada two things. So Vattavada is an elevation of 5k from the sea level, 5,000 feet, 5 something like that. So no enormous number of stays here. Okay, so this Vattavada is part of Idukki district, which is a top hill of Munnar. Munnar's top hill station is called as Vattavada, right? So in Vattavada you will not even get you don't have fuel, you don't have liquor. So if you're trying to come and camp up here something, you should have all these things. You make sure you have all these things and then you come to Vattavada, right? So that was a ride that is going to which Vattavada. Okay, so what is that? Okay, you can go like that and this also. Okay, see, Vattavada is something like 550. Let me see how many kilometers I have driven. So it's 540 kilometers from Bengaluru. Very exactly, the map says 500, but it's 40 kilometers up and down. You have to fill your fuel at Munnar itself before you come to Vattavada. If you are running out of fuel, you have to get it in the black itself. You'll get it here right now at the top. So before you come enter into Vattavada, the cost of fuel that I paid, I too took in. You might have seen in the previous video, I too had to take some black fuel because I was not knowing, right? So the mistakes that I do, I don't know you people to do. Fill your see, that's Vattavada. Okay, so it's around 2.7 kilometers more. So here the freezing temperature is something like minus 5 degrees was recorded, it seems. Nice beautiful girls early in the morning itself. The freezing temperature that was recorded here in Vattavada is minus 5 degrees. So the temperature varies from 15 and 20 degrees. So 15 and 20 degrees is the temperature that varies here. I don't feel this as much cold, but the main thing is fog itself. There too much of fog here. So coming to Vattavada, you keep 1 day for coming, 1 day for going, and 1 day it's max for all your activities, watching the farms, the strawberry farms, and there's one more falls here. So watching the entire Vattavada is enough, 1 or max 2 days if you want to chill out. So max 4 days from Bengaluru. Saying it from Bengaluru, if you have nearby places somewhere from Idukki, or you can just jump away just like this because it's very near to them, right? So Idukki is a district that carries Vattavada and Munnar. Okay, so Vattavada is in the border line of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So people say that it's not a saying, say it's actually there is an escape route from here, from Vattavada to Kodaikanal. This Kerala forest has stopped it because I don't know what is the reason, because it's like a core jungle, and there were some abnormal or some other activities. You know that when humans come in, all these things, and see, that's where all this starts. Like, see your Vattavada strawberry farm. Okay, free visit it seems. So this is all about Vattavada. Just a few things. A honeymoon sort of place. It's very chill. So that's what honeymoon people are looking into. That's what my believing is also, because I'm not married, so I don't know what is fun in that. So I don't know why I'm being a bachelor yet now. So at this age also, but yes, still. You see the morning mist here. It's so nice. So all primitive old buildings, same like Kunur, Ooty and all, is what is that you see here, right? There are jeep safaris also which takes you to that this one, what is that, and the falls in the morning itself. I think in the morning is the best view that you can always have. So there's a U-turn here. Old town buildings like yellow color, blue color, green color. It's nice, right? It's there. So this is Vattavada stop viewpoint. See that? Oh man, it's very near. It's looking back to me. Let's run away from this. So he's not allowing, I think, is what I see. So this is the entrance to Vattavada Grama Panchayat, the winter table. So many people had already gone in. So oh, what a view, man. It's all breathtaking views. Yesterday I waited here 2 to 3 hours. This full entire stretch was traffic in such a way that I couldn't even see. Two-wheelers can actually move, but I have this panniers, right? So because of that I was not unable to move here and there. Such a big traffic or long traffic it was. This is Munnar town, and that's what we had gone, right? Vattavada. It's at the top hill station, right? Top hill. It is, as I said you, it's above 5500 above sea level, 5500 feet. This is a view here. It's nice, you know.
അതൊക്കെ പറ്റുള്ളൂ പോട്ട് വണ്ടി പോകും വലിയ ബ്രോയെ പിന്നെ കിട്ടത്തില്ല ഞാനുണ്ട് റൈഡർ ഗൈസ്
Okay. Bye. Going to Bangalore. Huh? Munnar.
आप नॉर्थ इंडियन है?
No. Bangalore.
Okay, thank you.
Bye. Yeah.
Okay.
Bye. What do you think this is? I think this is Kerala Forest Pada. See that waterfall, sir. It's so nice to see. I didn't see this one. This is exactly Kerala, right? So this place is called as Marayur, and you see the falls there. What a nice ambience, you know. There is slightly mist, so because of that I'm not able to see properly, or else this would have been such green. Everywhere you see this. So see, there are two trees there, full red color. Okay, so time to leave, or else I'll be late to Bangalore. What a majestic view, man. Especially that falls, you know, that people mistake for people are doing all this. எவ்வளோ ஒரு 40 கிலோமீட்டர் இருக்கா? 30 இருக்கா? 30 ஃபுல்லா க்ளீன் பண்ணிருக்கலாம்.
ஆமா, ஃபுல்லா
ரோட் சைடுல மட்டும் தான் இருக்குது.
ஆமா சார், ரோட் சைடு பிளாஸ்டிக் வாட்டர் குப்பி எல்லாம் எடுத்து குப்பி.
இது என்ன கலெக்ஷனா? கொஞ்சம் பார்க்கலாமா?
அனிமல்ஸ் ஓவர் இதெல்லாம் சாப்பிடுது சார்.
பா, என்ன அப்பா இது?
எல்லாம் நாங்கள் தான் க்ளீன் பண்ணுவோம் வாரம் வாரம். ಬಾಟ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆಣೆ ಎಲ್ಲ மெருகு ஆணி மிஸ்லேட் ஆயிடும்.
அதுதான் அந்த குரங்கு இதெல்லாம் பிடிங்கிட்டு எடுத்துகிட்டு உள்ளே போவோம் இல்லையா?
இப்போ கூட ஆணை இருந்துச்சாமா சார் அங்கே
அந்தாண்டியா?
அந்த பக்கம் நிஞ்சாமா
இருக்கா?
ஒரு 4 அண்ணன் நிஞ்சாமா பாரு அந்த பக்கம் மேலே.
இதெல்லாம் எடுக்குமா? அது
பிளாஸ்டிக் ஒரு சாப்பிடும்.
ஆணை எடுத்துகிட்டு போகுமா?
சாப்பிட்டு தானே இதாயிரும்.
அப்படியா?
புண்ணாயிரும்.
ஐயா கர்மா.
அதனால தான் இதை கிளியர் போட்டு.
சரி அண்ணா, தேங்க்ஸ், பாய் பாய். People's mistake, right? Instead of what is that? See, even they are using a green vehicle also. 30-kilometer stretch they are cleaning. This is the only reason that I don't ride at morning in Tamil Nadu, especially Tamil Nadu and Kerala. See this. See the number plate. How fancy it is. I don't understand when this fancy plates will go away. Number is 2525.